Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. And as it is festival going on, so you must be enjoying, right? Navratri. And I wish you a very happy Navratri, all of you. So let's dive into the video. The topic I have that is what's new on my channel. So there are many things basically which I want to share in this video. And first thing first, why, what's new, a lot of things must be coming in your mind. So yeah, as you have seen my conversations, as you've seen my videos, what all, okay, that I have been doing it for 3+ years, conversations, connecting with co-learners, good speakers. But from now onwards, there will be some different, videos or stuff on my channel, because change is the only constant thing. That's what I believe. We should keep changing, keep updating our version so that we can come up with our best potential or our full potential. Okay, so that's why I have decided that from now onwards, for the next 100 days, I'll be focusing on solo content creation. I will do my research, I will, share the experiences, what all I have, and not that much clear, okay, what I'm going to create. But yeah, I'm very sure that this will definitely add value in your life. Okay, and you can also suggest that what all topics related to self growth, because in this 100 days I want to transform myself. I want to work upon my communication. I want to work on how to focus on solo content creation. I want to share my experiences, good, bad, and what learnings I have from those experiences. So I'll be sharing that, and I'm very sure that you guys going to love it, because so far, okay, the conversation is something, okay, we talk with someone and that's pretty easy now, like that's what I feel, because I have been doing it for a while now. But solo content creation is something where you come as a raw, okay, where you share your actual feelings, your actual emotions about a particular topic, and be it anything, okay, it will be helpful for students, for people who are doing job, and a lot of things are there I have planned, and let's see how I'm going to create. By the way, I am also very excited for this. So that is the update, guys, and yeah, wish me luck that I'll be consistent. Definitely I'll give my 100 and 1000% to be consistent. Okay, that's for sure. And no matter what, okay, what will be the things, okay, what will happen, and will it work out or not, but I have decided that I'll give at least 100 days, okay, to this channel, especially for solo content creation, because I want to see a growth, the growth which aligns lot of things: my communication, my personality. I'm going to share book reviews, I'm going to share life experiences, and if I'll go somewhere, I'll definitely try to create vlogs as well. So not sure exactly what it will be, but yeah, lot of things. It will be complete, me. Okay, I'll be coming up as a raw me, and yeah. Thanks for listening to me, guys. That's what I wanted to share in this video. And yeah, very excited for the next 100 days, because it's a challenge. It's the commitment to myself, and I want to see a different version of myself, a updated version of myself. Okay? So thank you very much, and so far your support means a lot. The positive comments, that just inspires me. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.